All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to part 3. So let's look at more examples. As you guys saw in the last one, always wait for 2 to 3 confirmations on a Fibonacci in confluence with this quarter point. So look at this. We did have another market structure being broken to the upside. This push, taking out all of these highs right over here. Boom, quarter point, scalp. With our Fibonacci as confluence. So look at that. Boom. Right into our zone. This was kind of risky because guess what? We do have a quarter point here. And this quarter point sometimes likes to act like a supply and demand zone. It needs to be touched. So if we would have been patient, we could have waited. Boom. A bounce. Right in here. And we started going back up. Could have got in right here and rode that thing up for more than 100 points. Take profit 1 and 2 smashed of our scalp, and take profit 1 and 2 basically on our Fibonacci, strategy. Remember, guys, I'm going to say it a billion fucking times. 2 to 3 confirmations. Wait for that candle to close, and that's where you execute. Don't just go in there straight off the bat. All right, so look, what do we have here? Another Fibonacci play. Just like a form of support and resistance. Wait for 2 to 3 confirmations. So this thing did wick all the way back down and kissed it perfectly. And guess what? Could they come back down for our second confirmation? Went right back here. Tried it again. So I would have bought right here. Oh shit. I would have bought right here. 2 to 3 confirmations. Remember, 45 pips, 45 point stop, 45 to 100 pip take profit. And look at that. We went up to 78 pips. We would have been good because we did hit take profit 1, which is our 45 points. Another example right here. So we have this Fibonacci short that we did wait, had a good ass entry, and guess what? We closed under to respect our Fibonacci short. Let's just draw it down. We did close under to respect our Fibonacci short. And guess what? We could have reopened right here. Just like a form of support and resistance. But I would have put like a 50-point stop on this one, just in case. And we could have rode this down to our take profit 4 on our Fibonacci. So we had our Fibonacci short, a retest after a break of this QP, perfect entry, bam, riding this thing all the way down to take profit 4 right here for 183 points. Fucking massive. This is ugly, but it played out, as you guys can see. I wouldn't have gotten in there, 100%. Alright, let's look here. This, we did break above to do a little retest, consolidated, ugly price action. Did come back up, penetrated this after this morning star, and then we did retest it right here. So if you guys were feeling ballsy, I wouldn't have done this. Like, I probably would have done this if I most likely didn't even make money that day, or basically I was desperate, which is super rare that happens. As you guys can see, we did go about 100 points up for a take profit 2. And then we had a little Fibonacci here as well. Bam. So you guys could have opened up again. It's actually pretty nice if you think about it. But risky. I wouldn't have gotten into it. 100% not. Definitely not. So right here, this, ugly. Boom, looks nice, ugly shit. Stay away from those. All right, now look at this. This is a good example. All right, so we have this huge push to the downside. Huge push. We did reject this quarter point. And then we did have another rejection. So at this point, you could be thinking, okay, looks like we're going to start retracing to our Fibonacci zone. So if you guys would have been the patient person, remember, you just can't enter like this up here, because this would be a serious drawdown if it went right back up. This is US 30. This is not fucking Euro USD. This drawdown right here would make you cry. Guarantee that shit. So you could have waited till you got as close as possible to this quarter point. As close as possible. We already have these two confirmations, but we did have an evening star right here. But remember, we're looking at the 15 and the 30 minute. On the 30 minute, this didn't form as an evening star. It didn't. But then we had a morning star right here after. But this entry right here, I would have entered right here. It's still valid. Risky business, but still valid for 45 point stop. And look at that, 100 point take profit. And as you can see, we smashed over 159. So remember, guys, you got to use the Fibonacci into Confluence to manipulate for that retracement as your best friend in these situations. But they will not always be like that. This was a massive push. A massive push. Right here. Damn, that's savage. More consolidation. We have market structure being broken to the upside. Look at that. This was our entry. If you guys would have waited 2 to 3 confirmations after the candle closes, bam. We would have prevented from being stopped out. You could have caught some points right here. What's our rule? After 25 points, stops to break even. We did hit over 60 points. Would have been take profit 1. Looks small, but it's actually a massive move. Another Fibonacci play. Okay, look, market structure being broken to the upside. Boom, huge rejection right here. Wait for our second confirmation. Also, we do have this push, so we could, expect a retracement down here. So, our second confirmation right here. And what happens? We were safe. We did hit over 70 points. A little bit, probably like 75. Boom, take profit 1 smashed. We did go back up and retrace. And look at that. Oh, let me talk about this right here, because I'm pretty sure you guys are looking at this right now. So remember, we are monitoring the 15 and the 30 minute. On the 30 minute, this thing does not look like it was going to keep going up. Ooh, perfect. Look at this. This was gorgeous right here. 2 to 3 confirmations. We could have expected a retracement due to the fact we are in a really big push right here. 45 point stop. And look at that. Wham! Does look like we got stopped out, but we did wick right up over 141 points. Look at that. That's insane. 45 points right on this thing. Could have been stopped out. Actually, I'm kind of mad though, because it's just like I would prefer that this thing would have won at least 46 points instead of 45 points right on the dot. You know what I mean? Oh, but then again, look what happened. We had over 30 points up. And what happens after 25 points? stops to break even. And look at that, boom. Could have waited for this thing to go back up and then re-enter for your 100 points plus. Take some fucking notes. Because you guys, I'm definitely 100% sure you guys looked at this thing like, oh, fuck, we just got stopped out. What happened here? What happened here? You know what I mean? Damn, that is kind of scary, though, if you think about it. You know? Oh, Jesus, I would have been pissed. I would have been pissed. If we didn't go up here to our stop to break even point, shit, I would have been pissed. Can't get over that. Remember, guys, monitor the 15-minute and the 30-minute always. Always, always, always. So right here, we have a push to the downside. Fibonacci being broken. Because as you can see, we keep going up. We would have been stopped out on our Fibonacci. I wouldn't have taken this right here. All right, cool, cool, cool. So we do have a market structure being broken to the downside right on this push. And as you guys can see, we don't have 2 to 3 confirmations. What we have is a huge fucking rejection to the downside, telling me, oh shit, this thing, you know, doesn't want to keep going down. You know what I mean? And then we did go above and we did close a little bit under, but then our next candle showed like a kind of mini reversal. But then again, we did have another rejection here, and then we had a huge fucking rejection here to the upside, closing under. So I'm thinking they're like, damn, am I gonna buy or I'm gonna sell? What are we gonna do, guys? I'm gonna give you a second to think about it. What are we gonna do? Buy or sell? I'm gonna give you your answer right now after you think about it. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're not gonna do jack shit. Discipline, guys. Discipline. Stay away. Go somewhere else. Go fucking jerk off. Go to the bathroom. Go take a shower. Don't look at the fucking charts when you see some shit like this. Discipline. I've said it 1,000 times. Okay. Right here. So, what do we have? We have a Fibonacci. Perfect rejection right here. I would have maybe gotten into it. Maybe depending what the 30-minute looked like. Then we had another, continuance to the push. At this point, we've already hit what? Take profit 3. Let's see. God, I'm so fucking good, dude. Jesus Christ. So we would have hit take profit 3. We had multiple confluences and confirmations that we did not want to keep going up. We could have scalped this. Quick little scalp. After 25 points, stops to break even. Boom. What the fuck happened? From here, we boom, 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 boom. 25 points right here. Stops to break even after this. We never went right back. We never retraced back. We could have been saved. Rode this shit down more than over 200 fucking points. Remember, we always have at least to target that 100 point. It would have been good as shit. So guys, remember, like, this is not rocket science. Always wait for those 2 to 3 confirmations. Always. Always, always, always. So right over here, you're probably thinking, oh wait, we have a Fibonacci market structure being broken to the downside. Let's run that right here. Okay, we're in our fib zone. But look at this. I would not have sold here. Why? We did, reject here. The candle did close. We're in a Fibonacci sell zone, but we don't give a fuck about the Fibonacci at all times. We want to see what's happening with this quarter point, and this quarter point seems to be in the middle of all this shit. So if we're not gonna wait, for this quarter point to see how we react to it, if we're gonna close right back under and then retest it, guess what? You're gonna get fucked. You just got fucked right here because your impatience and you're not having discipline. It just fucked you right now. So when I tell you guys, take these notes, Look at everything that I am telling you guys and write it the fuck down. You guys need to go back and see it so that way your psychology and your brain, when it sees this shit, you can think about losing everything. When you get in this fucking pair and you get in this trade, you need to realize this is do or die. This is my life savings. If I fucking lose, I'm fucked. That's your fucking mindset. Every single time I get in a fucking trade, I'm thinking, damn, this could be my last trade. And that's why I'm such a good trader. And that's why my accuracy is so fucking good, because I'm thinking like I'm gonna lose everything. So my discipline is very on point. Very on point. I'm going to look for 2 to 3 more examples before I cut this thing. And then I go to the infamous GBP pairs. So look at this, guys. Market structure being broken. We do have a big, huge wick. You know, we do not want to get into that. You know what I mean? But then again, we did come back down. And we did respect this QP right here. So this was kind of risky. I would not have gone into it. But as you guys can see, it did play out. 100 points plus into our Fibonacci style zone. Perfectly played out. So as you guys can see, we do have a little bit of market structure being broken into a little bit of consolidation. So this right here, I would not have bought in. And if I would have bought in here, I would have been ridiculously stupid, because look at this. Where are you going to run a Fibonacci? It's ridiculous. You don't know where to do it. You really don't. You really don't. So stay away. Look at this. Stay away. I don't even know what to do here. I don't even know how to explain this because I'm not even looking at this. I see some shit like this and I stay away. That's that discipline you guys need. Alright, so we have a breakthrough right here. It's Fibonacci zone. Penetrated. Came back in here. Morning star. Got our 1 confirmation. Rejection on this evening star of this zone. 2 confirmations, 3 confirmations, going right back up, reversing. Could have entered on this one right here. 100 plus points. 45 point stop. Safe. Perfect. So like I said, guys, like, this is not fucking rocket science. You guys can scalp these. You just gotta be very, very disciplined. Look at that Fibonacci zone being broken down to this area right here. You know, boom, wait for 2 or 3 confirmations, 1 rejection, 2 rejection, morning star, another rejection. Could have rolled this thing up right here. 45 point stop to our Fibonacci buy zone for almost 100 points. One more example and I'm cutting the video, guys. One more example. What the fuck? Nice little Fibonacci right there. I like that. Oh, okay. Perfect. Look at that. More confluence. Fibonacci, 618, 50 zone. Perfect touch. Skyrocketed. Dark candle closed. Showed exhaustion. Retested. Could have gone into this. Boom, and ride this thing up. Almost 200 plus points. So guys, like I said, you always want to use this little scalp method in your favor with the Fibonacci's to manipulate, you know, the retracements and confluence. So this is the 15-minute. On the 30-minute, you guys always want to monitor these things because they will not always look the same. Not always. So look at this on the 30-minute. About to blow you guys' minds real quick. Look at that. Boom. More than 150 plus points. Stop point right here. Oh shit. Did we get stopped? We got stopped, guys! Oh wait. Wait. Quarter point. Oh, we got saved by the fucking bell. Literally. But then again, if we would have gotten in right here, where we were supposed to, 2 to 3 confirmations, boom, rejection, 2, perfect, bam, lit. Look at that, we got saved. Okay, Gucci. This right here would have been, you know, pushing it. Let's look for more examples. Dun, dun, dun. Jesus Christ. So many moves here. Remember, guys, these do look like little mini moves, 173 points here. But remember, these things are accumulated. We've accumulated thousands of pips at the end of the day. So look at this setup. Boom. Literally for the month of October, what happened? Let's add all this up. 159 points here, 100 points here, 183 points here, 136, 173. How much is this? 104. Disgusting. 75 points. 137, 146, 98, 100, 101, 105. So, as you guys can see, we've accumulated thousands and thousands of pips in just October. So if you guys have discipline, you guys could have caught thousands of pips all of the month of October. And when you multiply that on US 30, that is way more than your fucking McDonald's salary. Right there. The day that you guys start catching these setups and have a really good consistency rate because you guys taken my notes and you guys have made them your notes and you guys have literally formed a psychology with this pair and an understanding and patience and discipline, you guys could do this full time only on US 30. I've been literally thinking about just committing myself only to US 30, raising my lot size, so that way when I go in here and I scalp this for 105 points and I got a fucking standard in there, guess what? I'm gonna walk out with more than $10,000 in 6 hours. Maybe more than that. Oh wait, 100% more than that, because guess what? We had another Fibonacci sell right here with a confirmation to this other target right here. Look at that, 160 fucking points to this quarter point right here, back to back. Perfect. Perfection. Right there. Could have been $20,000+ in a single fucking day. You guys, all you need to do is apply my knowledge, the knowledge that I am teaching you. I don't know how many times I can say this, and I gotta get in your face right here because I want to feel you guys. I want you guys to feel me on this one. Look at this right here. This is US 30. The 105 points. We could have rolled this a lot more down. Remember, we could have rolled it all the way down to right here, which was a Fibonacci play. In part right here, 150 points. After the rejection, the consolidation and the reversal, we could have rolled this all the way down. So look at that. We have over 300 points right there. 300 points in literally look at that. 2 days. This is ridiculous. This is the only, you could have caught this right here after you've done a lot of back testing, studying, taking notes, and looking over your notes. You could have taken this trade right here, guys. You could have taken this trade. And guess what? You motherfuckers could have been going to Hawaii after you withdraw these profits. So guys, please watch these videos, rewatch these videos, because man, this is your future, guys. You cannot be lazy with this shit. You guys need to go in this shit like do or fucking die. When I say do or die, I'm not saying risk it for the biscuit. What I'm saying is you gotta think, and your brain has to be thinking like, shit, this could be my last trade because I'm gonna lose all my money. That's what you guys need to be thinking about. That's it. Not thinking like, damn, I can catch this really big move. That's a lot of money. You can't think like that, bro. Like, I don't understand how I can explain this to you guys, but it's just like, yo, like Forex, bro, there's no limits. These markets are not going anywhere. They will be here forever. They will be here today. They will be here tomorrow. They will always fucking be here. So please, guys, watch these notes. Take notes. Go back test. Spend hours on the charts, man. I've spent tens of hours a single day, on these fucking charts to understand these things, bro. I've spent more than 12 hours on GBP pairs one time. I spent about 16 hours non-stop on GBP JPY. I'll never fucking forget that, dude. I'll never forget that thing. because I had a drive. I was motivated, man. I really wanted to perfect the strategy. You know, it was really hard for me because, you know, I have a learning disability, so it was really hard for me in school. So when it comes to taking notes and doing stuff, you know, if I can't do it, it's really hard for me. I can't do it if my heart's not in it. And I did mention, guys, like my heart was not in the books. My heart was in my wallet. So when I tell you guys that it was really hard for me to study this shit and develop this strategy and master it, it was really fucking hard. But like I said, man, I was driven. I was motivated, man. I needed money, bro. I'm from Miami, bro. Everywhere you go, you see a fucking Lamborghini or you see a fucking, you know, model. And that's all I've ever wanted. I wanted a Lamborghini with a model girlfriend. That's all I've ever wanted. So guess what? I've developed a strategy and I've created a monster inside of myself that I unleash when I'm in these markets. So that way, I could go buy that fucking Lamborghini right now, go to Brickell, spit some game, and I'll take any bitch home. Literally. A lot of you guys are in here to fucking live that lavish lifestyle, get any girl you want, drive any fucking car you want, and you can have that shit if you fucking put in the time like I did. And then there are women here who are just like, damn, you know what? I want to do this so I can take care of my kids, take care of my family, go to fucking Louis Vuitton because my management ain't gonna buy me shit. So you know what? I gotta do it for me. You guys need to realize that this is your fucking future. This is your future, so do not sleep on this shit. Do not sleep on this shit. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this aggressive scalp video. And like I said, guys, this is your future, so please rewatch these videos, take a lot of notes, back test, spend hours on the charts, bro. There's no motherfucker out there who spent more hours on the chart than me, bro. I got a disadvantage, and you motherfuckers are coming in here with high school diplomas and degrees. You have no fucking excuse. You have no excuse, bro. See you guys in the next video.